Begin it because I need to let him out.
Hello.
Hello. Start. You stay there.
Blue, come here, buddy.
Stay.
Blue.
Stay. I'm letting my boys out. Let me go. Go ahead.
First, hurry up.
I'm here.
Hurry up.
Stay.
Oh god, it's not cold. Cold now. It's not cold now.
Oh, well, put the covers on then.
My ass.
Hello.
Hey, Thirsty boy. Come here. Good boy.
Not over the laptop. That's it. Round. Yeah, that's the stuff. Say hello. Oh, hello. Hello, cutie. The blue
What's
boy
that?
video. It's me.
Not you, but the dog.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh no, I got bold again.
Buggy! Burgy.
Have you seen Annoying Orange? How does it go again? You should watch them, they're totally hilarious. It's like an orange that talks. And he goes,
Look, I'll show you.
That's not meant for the video, by the way. This is actually funny. It just came into my head when you would go bogey.
You have a bogey.
What was that? Manchester.
Is it?
Oh my god, I thought that was a person. I was going to say, what are they wearing? Oh god, that tune was. Right. Oh no, why am I on that?
That's so stupid.
Right. Annoying.
Let
Orange.
me wash your hair for you.
What the hell's that all about?
Edward.
Annoying Orange.
Let me do
Tongue.
your hair for you. That's so epic.
How do you spell tongue? T-O. Shop. Can't spell tongue. Ow!
Boogies!
Right.
That's so gay.
It's actually funny.
Actually, really.
When he starts going, la, 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 la. But I need to actually find it. Oh yeah, when he calls the pumpkin plumpkin.
It's a pumpkin.
It's a plump.
It's a pumpkin.
It's really funny. But I like the one where he goes, la, 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 la. And then he goes, I can't, look, I can do it. La, la, la.
La 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 la, singing a song. La 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 la. Thanks a lot. I'm getting real sick and tired of being dragged all over the place. Whoa! You're the biggest orange I've ever seen. What? I'm not an orange. You must be my big brother. I'm not your brother. Yeah, you are. I'm orange. You're orange. We're both oranges. I'm not an orange. I'm a pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Funny,
Don't you
one on
mean
Saw as well. It's
pumpkin?
true.
You're huge. Ha 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 ha. That's real funny. Hey,
This is your
pumpkin.
style.
It's pumpkin.
What?
Hey,
Hey,
plumpkin.
Hey,
What?
pumpkin.
Hey,
Pumpkin.
Want to see a trick?
Wanna see a
really.
trick?
Yeah, that's not even a
And
trick.
then,
Hey, pumpkin.
just
Pumpkin.
picture him going,
Hey, pumpkin. What? Can you touch your eyeball with your tongue? No. You haven't even tried it yet. Try it. I don't want to try it. Almost. Did you stop that? I almost got it. Orange. No. You're not trying. Oh my god, stop it. What? You know, I'm a pretty relaxed guy most of the time, and it takes a lot to get me riled, but you are driving me crazy. And I've only been here, what, a minute? You don't shut up.
Because I let
And
him
it's
out.
pumpkin. Pumpkin. Not orange, not plumpkin, and I'm not your brother. What? What is it? Why are you mumbling and making that face? Knife. Huh?
Do you want to see the
Why
one
don't you
that
take
saw?
that guy's knife away? Breaks my head. Oh no, he's tearing your insides out. Hey! Hey, pumpkin! Hey, pumpkin!
Hey, pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin.
Hi, I'm Julian Perskler. I'm the product technologist at Sainsbury's.
Whoa! Where am I? Where's this thing I'm hooked up to? Ew! Who's that?
Orange, I want to play a game.
A game? Okay, let's play Go Please, go craft in your cornflakes.
Right. Now,
Blue!
so far, you've made a living annoying people.
That shit.
Society would call you a nuisance. I would call you an abomination.
Yeah, and I'd call you clown face.
What?
You look like somebody smeared mashed potatoes on a mine.
That's enough.
You're kind of emo, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
Emo clown.
You're an emo clown.
This laugh's funny.
The device you were attached to
You should
was
watch
death
them all. They're
trap.
hilarious.
It's hooked up to a timer. If you do not locate the key in time, you will
You mean this key right here?
What the? Where did you get that?
I don't know.
That's just plain total good in the game.
Your game sucks. Let's play Yahtzee.
I hate Yahtzee.
Jenga?
No.
You like backgammon?
Oh my god, you're annoying. Oh, I can't take it. That's it. I'm moving on to eggplant.
Whoa, it's Barney. Yeah, dude, I'm not Barney.
Hello, eggplant.
Hey, Barney. Can I teach you a song?
No.
Hey, I'm not Barney. Dude, is this part of the torture or what?
Look, this is not how this usually
I'm
happens.
an orange, that's a key. There's an emo clown on TV.
Do I look like a giant purple dinosaur? I'm an eggplant.
You look like a potato with bad circulation.
I swear to God, I'm so done with this crap.
You're a tree with
Why did I think this was
desperation.
a good idea? Ah.
Hey, I'm an orange. You're not me. Jigsaw has to take a pee.
Shut up!
Hey, potato.
What?
Death trap.
Huh?
Aw, poor potato. He never saw that one coming.
Wait, let's go back to it.
How do I get out of here?
That was interesting. It's funny when he does that one. I'm gonna have to find that video for you. I can't remember what it is he's doing, but he goes, I can do it, look. And then they're all going, shut up. And then he's like, Ew! Someone's belched. Belched? Farted. Oh, belched means yes, I know, burped. I know! So why are you saying
I
that
don't
for
know!
fart? You do know you've only got 15 minutes.
Ahem!
Thank you.
Get
Here,
up,
mine.
Blue! Bite it!
It's because you love being flavored. Carry up. Just push your way touching noises.
Oh, of course I do. Brooke and Sasha.
Exactly. My point.
Just because you like your finger up your ass.
You? Ahem! I told you to put my socks down.
Get him, Blue. Bite him. Shake him.
Tell him, Jazz. Tell him. Like, ow! He's got
Ow!
a sock.
Oh, what a shame.
Oh.
Oh!
No. They get away with stealing socks and pennies, guys. Let's steal them in life. And where's my other one? Now,
Come on, first, hurry up.
well, my other thick sock's missing. Your brat of a dog possibly stole it. Oh! What have you done with my
Fisty
other
boy,
sock?
come on.
Don't
Just
touch
leave
my
it.
What's he done with it?
Quit eating it and swallow it.
I'm gonna kill him.
Come on.
Why can't I find my sock tomorrow?
Come
I'm
on.
gonna come back to
I'm
you.
gonna base him. Hurry up. Are you off tomorrow?
Aye.
Are they at college?
Mm-hmm. But I need my laptop for my assessments.
Oh my god!
God's sake! Do you not know
Let's
me
watch
that
it.
don't walk over the